In this video, we are going to be building a website for a chiropractor. And by the end of this video, we will have number one, a ChatGPT prompt you can use to guide us to build this website, which will include headers, subheaders, what pages to build for your website, what fonts, and what color schemes that will go well with this website. Number two, a fully built out website. Number three, a booking calendar where patients can go and make bookings. And number four, a payment gateway where patients can go and make payments and automatically send out receipts. Make sure to stay till the end of this video to learn how you can get all of this template chiropractor website for free, where all you need to do is change out the headers, the subheaders, the color schemes, and link your calendar to make it unique, which you can use for your client. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we want to do here is I already have a prompt that I created. So I'm just going to key in this prompt, and then I'm just going to put in a niche, which is going to be chiropractor. And then it will generate me all the details of what we can do for this chiropractor website. Okay, so essential pages: home, about us, services, blog, contact, patient resources. So add a patient focus page for booking appointments, FAQ, and downloadable forms. All right. So it also gave me some general recommendations of color schemes, primary colors, accent colors, font recommendations. Also recommended some fonts and font sizes and call to actions. Okay. So let's start building this. And we're going to go to our high level account. First, we go to sites, and then go to websites, create a folder. I'm going to name this chiropractor V1. And then we're going to go in and create a new website and start from blank. Now that we're here, we're going to press add new page, and we're going to create the home page. And then we're going, since this is the first page, we're going to create from blank. So we're going to start with a full width. Just click this, full width, and this is going to be a global section. So global header put under global sections, right? Add a row, and let's see what do they say. Okay, so we have a few pages here: home, about us, services, blog, contact. And I'll just put a booking appointment page. So total of 6 pages. Right, so let's do this. One column, and then go down and go to navigation menu. Okay, so before we continue, I want to pick a chiropractor on Google Maps and then build a website for someone who does not have it. So let's go to Google Maps. So this one has a couple of reviews. All right, so just let's try and use this one. So let's go back here. Let's first do this part, and we just want to click on this navigation menu. Okay, so menu items, we have home, about us, services, blog, contact. Home, about. Let's put this away. Change this to services. Contact, blog. And book an appointment. Okay, so it doesn't have a logo, so let's go to Canva real quick and build a logo, simple logo. Right, so create design, logo. Okay, so when it comes to making logos, if you've seen my other videos, I always like to resize to 400 by 100. Okay, so let's resize this design, and I'm gonna just do it this way. Okay, and I'm just gonna swap this around. Practice services, right? So let's just do no shape. All right. Don't want to spend too much time here because we can definitely go overboard. Okay, so let's see what colors do they recommend. So let's just try this and see how it look like. So this, and change this as well. Okay, and the other color is a dark green. So let's change this to a dark green. All right. Cool. So we're just gonna do this, and then let's download this for transparent background. So now we want to upload this picture. Let's create a new folder. Upload the image. Okay. I didn't rename it, but I think that's okay since this is just a demo. Okay, so height is 100, width is 400. And then what we can also do here is change the colors to match these colors. It's going to be the dark green, and when you highlight over it, it will change into this color. Color. And what's the color again? Dark green. Okay, like that. This one. Okay, awesome. All right, so now we got this, so it looks pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, let's go typography, and let's change the text. So railway for headers. All right, and then open sans for text, body text. Okay, cool. Can now do the background color. So if we go back here, we can have modern background color for content. Okay, so let's just use this and see how it looks like. All right, this one as well. Awesome. Cool. So first part done. Now we've got a header. Now we can just continue building the next part. Okay, so let's go to the home page, and it says we have some header examples here, and it tells us the content structure as well. So hero section. So that's the section that we're going to make right now. High resolution image of patient smiling. Okay. So let's do that. So let's do this full width, and let's look for a background image. You can use images from here, Unsplash, Pixabay, but um, if you want to use images online, make sure that you have the rights to use them, because you're going to build this for businesses and not educational. Do something like this. Okay. Now we go back here. Move it to the right folder as always. And then get the link. Let's go back out and paste it back here. Mess with the padding to make sure this is a this area is bigger. So maybe 100 here, 100 there, right? And then so we can put the header here. Experience life without pain. Add with, and put in the subheader. Just click this, put subheader. All right. This image is there's like too much colors going on. So what we can do is we can do this and like put a little fade, half fade, right? Something like that. And let's leave it with the black color for now. Now we're just gonna put some text shadow to get it pop up. All right, that's good. Right below this, let's put another column where we can put in a button. And the button color would be, yeah, something like this. And the call to action would be contact us, start your, let's see, book your appointment today. Okay, just straight to the point. All right. Okay, cool. Now let's see what we can, maybe it's a little bit too big. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Okay, nice. Let's move on to the next section, which is the overview of services. And let's do this. Add a row. Okay. And then let's do 4 columns. 4 columns might be too many, but just, yeah, let's just do 2 columns. Spinal adjustment, and then paragraph. Let's put this. Okay. So what we can also do is we can put like an image up here, which I will do later on, like that. And then we can press this. Let's see if we have an image we can use. Right. So I want the image to be like that. All right. So maybe we want to use like a logo, create like a couple logos. Let's go back to create a design. logo. Thing like this. Just gonna remove all these. Right. Transparent background. Okay. Let's put it here. Maybe it's too big, so let's try 100 by 100. Okay. And then another one for sports injury treatment. Right. Okay, now we can download it. Okay, cool. So I like this. So I'm just going to, what you can do is whole section, we can press this to actually duplicate it, right? So all this is something that ChatGPT um, generated. So you can always use ChatGPT to give you more ideas. Okay, massage therapy. Okay, let's go create an image. So we have massage therapy, and then the other one is posture correction. All right, cool. So looks pretty nice, right? Okay, we're just gonna change the color of the background, and then let's make this the same, light gray. Nice. So you can see it straight away. It pops up quite nicely. All right, we can do this and do a text shadow. Okay, and because we've done that, we need to change the color of this to, okay, awesome. Right. For this, we can also change it. Sorry, it's not bold. This one, and then change. Put in the text shadow. All right. So the next section that we want to do here after the overview of services is the client testimonials. So basically, what we do here is this green color, we make it the background, and this grayish color, we'll change it to the text. So it's like a little reverse, right? Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to put 4 here. I already have 4 images ready. So I'm just going to show you how it's done here. So I'm going to add element, image, do the same for all 4, and then press, oh, no, I'm going to press this button, put 4 columns, put paragraphs. Okay. So this will be the images of the clients, and then this will be the testimonials itself. Okay, we also can put like a subheader at the bottom, and let's see how that looks like if we put the person's name, something like that, and then we're just going to align this way. And what we can do now is put in the images. I already have a couple ready, so let's do that. Okay, this, what we can do here is actually shrink the image 200. Okay. So obviously, if you have more testimonials, you can add more over here. But I just want to do like a short version, so I just put four. So the next part will be a what's the next part? So let me drag this back here. Then we have the about section. Okay, so let's put a short about section. Okay, what we can do here is duplicate this and then drag it. Okay, I'm just gonna drag this up here. So this one will be about us. So let's do a double column and want to insert another image over here. And let's do this. Okay. And let's have a headline, which is the doctor's name, and a subheadline. Okay, so this looks like a little bit too big. So let's change the, yep. Or maybe, yeah, maybe like that. So this is the about us section. Always put in some shadow, full width. So okay, so I'm just going to put like the map over here, and then also the maybe the contact details over here. All right, let's go to map. Okay, so we have this, and then put in business details here. Okay, let's change the background to that green color. Subheader, let's put in the address. Okay, so for this, maybe you want to give it some a little bit of space. All right, then let's put a paragraph there. Okay, we can do it like that. And then what we want to do here is we want to duplicate this and bring it to the bottom. All right, and then we're going to change the background color to this one and the font color, something like that. All right, so you just want to give them an easy way to sign up or to book an appointment. Now at the bottom here, we want to put in a footer, right? So for the footer, let's do another full width, single column, and just going to do something simple. And want to put like social icons, right? So maybe no LinkedIn, no like that, maybe just the icons. Let's see if we can make them smaller. It's nice to actually make the color a little bit darker than say this one. What we're going to do now is this one. Right, so I asked ChatGPT to recommend a color and they recommend this. Okay, so yeah, just something like this, and so you stand out to let people know that this is when someone looks at it, they kind of know like, okay, this is the end of the website. All right, so always save. Actually, you should save while you're actually building the site, because if you just were to press back and then everything, all your progress will not be saved. Okay, so this is the SEO metadata, And what you want to key in here is things that will help you get search on Google. So you want to put things that are very natural and also very searchable by Google. I already covered this in a previous video, so please do check that out. And if you want to learn more, so just cancel this and let's open this and have a look. All right. So cool. Look at our website here. So it's pretty decent for spending so short amount of time for to build this demo website. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut the video here and then have a part two of this series, as I've taken way too long to record this video. So if you learned anything in this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And watch out for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.